My dear friend, welcome to my Rupesh technical channel and share it my video friends. It's my request for each everyone, please दोस्त आज मैं लेकर आया हूँ VVI क्वेश्चन जो कि रिलेटेड है फादर ऑफ साइंस. So please subscribe our channel, click the bell icon to update new video and share it my video friends. So question number 1, who is the father of science? Albert Einstein. Question number 2, who is the father of biology or zoology? Aristotle. Question number 3, who is the father of botany? Theophrastus. Question number 4, who is the father of microscope? Marcello Malpighi. Question number 5, who is the father of physiology? Galen. Question number 6, who is the father of Ayurvedic? Charka. Question number 7, who is the father of medicine? Hippocrates. Question number 8, who is the father of bacteriology? Robert Koch. Question number 9, who is the father of microbiology? Louise Pasteur. Question number 10, who is the father of blood group? C.Landsteiner. Question number 11, who is the father of modern anatomy? Andreas Vesalium. Question number 12, who is the father of comparative anatomy? Basan Gorge Cavalier. Question number 13, who is the father of embryology? K.V. Beer. Question number 14, who is the father of paleontology? Elda Vicini. Question number 15, who is the father of immunology? Edward Jenner. Question number 16, who is the father of modern genetic? Betson. Question number 17, who is the father of genetics? G.J. Mundell. Question number 18, who is the father of experimental genetics? Morgan. Question number 19, who is the father of modern cytology? Charles P. Swanson. Question number 20, who is the father of bryology? Johann Hedwig. Question number 21, who is the father of plant physiology? Stephen Helle. Question number 22, who is the father of evolutionary idea? Empedocles. Question number 23, who is the father of eugenics? F. Galton. Question number 24, who is the father of mutation? Hugo de Vries. Question number 25, who is the father of taxonomy? Carlos. Last question dost. Question number 26, who is the father of virology? Stanley. Now please subscribe our channel, click the bell icon to update new video and share it my video friends. Thank you for watching my video and best of luck for your general knowledge. Thank you.